Closet ventilation. For those who have cold closets, especially if your closet is connected to an external wall that is not insulated, you can get very cold surfaces inside the cupboard. And then if you've got a high moisture environment in your home or your bedroom because it's connected to an ensuite, you can start to get mold growing on your clothes and inside your closets. So we've got a product called Q-Vent, which you can install in a normal door, 35mm door if you've got a closet that's got these sorts of cupboards. And you can induce an air movement from the top of the cupboard, which is going to be more than likely be warmer air, and then it'll come out when it gets colder at the bottom of the door with a gap at the bottom of the door. This can allow for just the constant movement of air depending on what temperatures you've got in your closets to enable them to dry out and remain more stable with the temperature indoor environment that you've got in your living space. We've got a Q-Vent covered here and a Q-Vent open on this closet here with a temperature probe at the bottom, and we're definitely getting a warmer temperature in this current environment. This 22.4 degrees is the unit with the open Q-Vent and 22 degrees with the Q-Vent taped up. So there's a little bit of a temperature difference there, and we've got 25 degrees in here. It's a hot summer's day in Melbourne. I think it's around 35 degrees outside, and we've got 25 degrees inside the house. Ensuring that you've got good cupboard ventilation can help maintain a better air quality in them, and with the Q-Vent, it's not an ugly looking design either.